Hi everyone, welcome to F&B's Farm channel. In today's video I wanted to give you a quick update on what's been happening lately. Basically, last month, March 2022, we had a lot of rain, a lot of wind, and not so much sunlight as we would normally have at this time of the year. So it's not been great in terms of what I planted. So I did test some seeds which were old, but because of obviously them being old, I'm assuming they're not going to work. Nothing's going to come out, so they're not going to grow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop down to the local home store, which I keep saying I'm going to do, hopefully in the next sort of week or two at the latest, and buy some new seeds and start from scratch. And with the weather, it's actually improved this week, so fingers crossed, if I can get down to the local home store and get some new seeds, start from scratch. And obviously with the clocks going forward now as of last week, I mean, where I'm located, I should get a decent number of hours of sunlight throughout the day, so hopefully we should have a better result this time. But like I said, March is usually, it's sort of hit and miss really. I mean, in Cyprus, you should really get more sunlight than sort of rain and wind. But yeah, this year's been a slight change. But anyhow, that's the update in terms of planting, sowing seeds. So yeah, I noticed today that you might be able to see actually in the distance there that there's a field which is being watered. As I'm just recording this, I noticed that. Here we go, we've got the bikes again. There you go. Old matey on his bike. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, so just zooming out there now. So yeah, I noticed early today, I didn't get a chance to video. If you look over this way, in this direction, you can see, hopefully, that there's that the field's been obviously the tractors have been there and obviously cut down the what have they planted? Is it grass, or I'm not even too sure. It looks like grass. They've cut it down with the tractor, so I'm sorry guys, I missed the video there, but you can see there, yeah, so what they'll do now is they'll come round and use the machine, the baler, and basically pick them up with the bale and feed them to the livestock. But if you look on this field here, they haven't been here yet, so obviously I will try this time. And obviously across there, sorry about that, across this side and here is yet to be done. But back over that way, they've actually been across the whole lot, looking at it. So yeah, let's see what happens when these when the farmers are around again. So going around the fields and the tractors and the big tipper. I'll try and get a video of that. But yeah, as I said in one of my previous videos a couple of weeks ago, I videoed that section down there where the olive trees are, and I mean you can see it's already going yellow on that bit there. I was down that section there a few weeks ago, and if you remember, for those of you who've seen the video, if you haven't, please check it out. You can see how green it's still green, but we're in April now, so yeah, it's gonna be yellow. Everywhere's gonna be yellow. The sun's gonna turn the whole lot yellow. It's gonna get really hot the next couple of weeks. So those who have been here before to Cyprus, or if you're familiar with the climate, it's gonna start picking up. But you know, we're sort of 20 degrees now this time of the year. You might actually be able to see it, and in the distance there's a lake at the back there. I don't know if you can see it. It's just sort of there you go. I'm your tour guide today, more than giving you updates on farming and planting stuff, veg and what have you. But there you go, guys. That's the latest on what's happening on the channel and what I've been up to. But hopefully I'll be starting to do more videos now that the weather's going to improve, more sun, longer days. Hopefully I can get some more videos done for you all, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, like the videos that you enjoy, and comment in the comments section below any ideas or any suggestions that you may have. But in the meantime, guys, enjoy the rest of your weekend, and hope you have a lovely week. Now we're coming up to Easter as well, and look after yourselves. See you soon.